Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you all how to code a rectangle in Python Turtle two different ways. So the problem says to draw a rectangle with a length of 50 pixels and a width of 30 pixels. Your output should look like this. So I would encourage you to pause the video and try this on your own, and then once you have coded this on your own, unpause the video and see if our code matches. So I have assumed that you've tried this on your own, so let's get straight into the solution. You should open up a new sandbox program in your CodeHS account. So now let's get started with coding. So the first thing we want to do is move the turtle forward 50 pixels because that's our length. So I'm going to write that. And now let's run this. The turtle has moved forward 50 pixels. But now we would need to turn the turtle in order to create our rectangle. Since rectangles have 90 degrees, we should turn the turtle left 90 degrees. Okay, nice. Now our width is 30 pixels, so let's move forward 30 pixels. Okay, let's turn the turtle left 90 degrees again. Nice. Let's move the turtle forward 50 pixels because this is our length. Okay, again, we're going to turn the turtle 90 degrees to the left. And we're going to move the turtle 30 pixels forward. And we're going to turn left again, 90 degrees. This last statement is optional because it has no effect on the rectangle really, but it does have an effect on the turtle's position. And going back to our problem, we can see that the turtle is facing to the right at the end, so that's why I chose to keep that over here. Okay, so now that we have coded this, let's code it in a more efficient way. So the next problem is, using a for loop, draw a rectangle with a length of 50 pixels and a width of 30 pixels, and your output should look the same as before. So go to your program here and see what can you do to make this code more simple. So what I'm noticing is that this part of the code is the exact same as this part of the code. In fact, it's just a duplicate. So we can create a for loop that duplicates this code. So we can delete the end of this, move this down, create a for loop for I in range 2, because we want to do this 2 times. And then we can tab all the code underneath. And now let's run the code and see if there is a difference or if it's the same. It's exactly the same. So as you can see here, we solved the problem in 2 completely different ways, but one was more simpler than the other. So I would recommend, whenever you have a long code, always try to find a way to make it shorter by using for loops and other techniques. That way your code is easier to read. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.